First things first, I appreciate your support. I'm back with the Samsung washer. This was giving us a 4C error code. This is a very common error code on every Samsung washer, whether it's a top load, whether it's a front loader. It's very common. When you see this error, don't panic. It's a simple fix. So before you call in a technician, or maybe you're planning to get a new washer, do this. This is a water related error. It means the machine is not receiving enough water. This happens after 3 minutes to 4 minutes of selecting the program. Close the main tab, go check the filter. This is always the main cause of 4C error code. If the filter is clean, ensure there is enough water from the tap. If you have enough water and you're still getting that error code, check valves. If you have enough water, but you're still getting a 4C error code, the machine is receiving enough water. That blue thing, it's the sensor.